The rainforest. The rainforests of the world produces 40% of the planet's oxygen, but covers less than 6% of the Earth. The forests of towering trees are sustained by a stable warm temperature and abundance of the rain.
Snakes, lizards, and frogs move across the forest floor, while many large climbing animals hang from the trees. Toucans, tarantulas, jaguars, gorillas, and parrots all make their home under the layered canopy. As anyone can see, the tropical rainforest is quite the diverse community.
The rainforest has the most diverse and abundant plant growth on the Earth. Bamboo, banana plants, coconuts, and gargantuan canopy trees all inhabit the rainforest. More specifically, Bengal bamboo, bougainvillea, kyorei, rhododendrons, and durian. Mangrove forests and strangler figs are among the many extraordinary specimens that dwell among the rainforest. The rainforests have a great amount of interactions. Ants display a mutualistic relationship by cultivating fungus, then digesting the fungus for energy. The life among the dense growth deep in the jungles can be a constant battle for survival. Jaguars often emerge as kings of their realm. These predators are often in constant competition with each other. But jaguars will also prey upon smaller animals such as reptiles and birds, in a relationship better known as predation. But just as the rainforest permeate with conflict, many organisms rely on one another to survive. The furthest slope is suitable for algae growth. The algae can get closer to the sun, while the algae provides a suit of camouflage for the slope. Birds are an excellent example of commensalism. After eating fruit, the seeds of the fruit are stuck on the bird's feathers and its excrement. The seeds are then widespread throughout the rainforest, benefiting the plants but not affecting the birds themselves.
But how can the forest sustain all of the intricate plant growth and complex communities of animals? Annual rainfall in the forest ranges from no less than 50 inches to 260 inches per year. The rainforest maintains a moderate temperature from 18 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Rainforests are well known among the Amazon River, Central America, parts of Africa, and much of South America. However, in Indonesia and many parts of Southeast Asia, New Guinea, India, and Assam also are home to many of the world's rainforests. Madagascar, Western Zaire, and even Queensland, Australia all have rainforests.
Unfortunately, these wondrous lands made purely of life are being lost to industrialization.